So today I'm going to ride with a couple of my subscribers and friends who have supported the channel and appreciate the work I do and the vlogs I make. So this is day 1 of testing. So I'll not be doing a review today. All I'm going to do is just ride the motorcycle and give you the review tomorrow. Well, that was my friend on the Benelli. He's going to a different route today. Since I am planning to do 90 kilometers an hour with my fellow subscribers and the new people I'm riding with. So I'm not going to choose that route today. And it is already 6:23. So probably I'll be 10 minutes late. But 6:30 was the timing. So 10-15 minutes moving out time is very normal. And there's a traffic jam. So here I am testing the off-road capabilities of the bike, and I must say I am very happy with it, and I can see why people buy this for a pure off-roading reason, especially in the roads of Leh Ladakh. And I am late at my own subscriber meet. Well, what can I say? I like to make an entrance. I'm really sorry, but I am in a witty mood today. Since our West Bengal government decided that no silencer modifications are allowed in the city of Kolkata, and the highway speeds are 60 kilometers an hour in West Bengal. And why is there so much traffic on the highway? I mean, for God's sakes, this is the connector. I don't think these cars are going for a morning ride or a drive. It's exactly 6:30 in the morning now, and I am freaking late. I hope no one's angry at me. Because I'm not going too fast, because my friend Siddharth is behind me on the Dominar. He actually was supposed to ride at 90 kilometers an hour, and I thought that would be okay, but I presume that he's not used to the bike yet. He just got it, what, 4 days back or something. Done what, 100 kilometers. So I can understand that he is not accustomed to the bike. And I'm going to stop here so that I can actually leave a message for my subscribers, so that they don't leave me and go away, man. And in the meantime also I can wait for Siddharth. messaging my subscribers right now. See these sharp turns these people fucking take. You saw that? No indicators, no nothing. But right now I'm kind of late, so I'm doing above the 60 km/h speed limit set by our West Bengal government. I'm really sorry, government, but on these open roads, this is the least I can do. And I'm here at the toll. Everyone must be waiting for me just after crossing this. I won this mount. हमको चाहिए ये. Mr. Triumph. Here I am doing 90 very comfortably because my subscribers are with me. Damn, the accident, man. So this is currently the way to the highway. I mean, actually the main highway is getting repaired, so that is why the fuss. And the best part about this bike is that I do not have to stop at speed breakers. I just glide through them. And what is wrong with this dude? Now see the speed breaker, and I just sit down and jump on it. Awesome. Awesome. Neither my back is hurting, neither my wrists are hurting, neither my butt is hurting. I am good to go. Now check this out. Whoops. Standing on the bike, nicely cruising around. I don't know, probably my subscribers, the few people I'm riding with, few of my subscribers must be thinking this guy is a goon. He's riding all crazy and everything, going through gaps and everything. But this is the reason I actually told them to actually ride with me, was because I'll do my testing and I can ride with them at the same time, spend time with them. This is the reason I did that. And guys who actually don't know, I have a WhatsApp group. It's called Highwayman Subscribers. Few people from Kolkata or nearby Kolkata are there, because we can actually ride while I test motorcycles like these. That's Asif on the Ninja. He got the Ninja 300 during the time of demonetization. If you know what I mean. Sorry Asif. What I realize is 90 kmph is too less for me. I cannot maintain 90 kilometers an hour. So I stopped just to tell everyone ये कम से कम बेटा 90 में तो चला. अबे पागल है क्या? अबे पागल है या पैदा ऐसी हुआ है? भाई रास्ते के बीच में शीशा ऐसा देखेगा तो? He could have got killed and get someone else killed at the same time. So here at the destination, which is Thames Store Dhaba. So here I am. So we've reached. This is Suraj on the I-690. This is Mr. Siddharth Jain on the Domina, and this is Asif. Subscribe to his channel, Gearblade. And this is Mr. Clay vlogging. This is Arindam on the R15, who came all the way from Kolaghat to meet me. I'm really happy. Chalo, we will go now inside, and that is it. Let's see what we have to eat.